Hello everybody, welcome back to MachineStation. Today we have a Daewoo Puma 400LC. This machine comes equipped with a Fanuc 21i TB control. It's got a 24-inch 4-jaw big bore chuck, an 8-15 spindle with a 7.1-inch bore. It has 86 inches between centers, 12-station automatic turret. It has a tool presetter, chip conveyor, hydraulic, chuck, and quill. For full specifications, I will list it in the description below. Let's take a look at this machine. Well, there you have it, the Daewoo Puma 400LC. For any further questions, call us at 909-919-9600 or jump over to our website, www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.